Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Realme C67. And to do this, let's open our settings, then inside scroll all the way down and go for the system. Inside there should be gestures and motions, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. First is navigation mode. Here you'll be able to choose on how to navigate your phone. You can either go for gesture navigations and then navigate using gestures, basically like that, or 3 buttons that you will see on the bottom, and then you can use them to navigate your phone. Next is one-handed mode. Scroll down when you enter it, and there's one-handed mode shortcut that when you click on will basically cut your phone in half, so you can access notification bar more easier than previously with one hand. Next is lift to check phone. When activated, you can lift your phone when it's locked and it should wake up the screen without touching any buttons. Next is press and hold power button to either go for power menu, which allows you to launch this mode, which allows you to again call emergencies, power off your phone or restart it, or digital assistance, which means when you hold it, it will activate your Google Assistant and you'll be able to give it any command. Next is 3 fingers screenshot. When activated, you need to flip your 3 fingers from top of the screen, or actually hold them. No, wait. Yeah, flip your 3 fingers from top of the screen and you'll be able to make the screenshot. And that's all of the gestures and motions available on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.